Lately, wherever I go in the village or the city, I keep hearing the same thing. How do we vote this time? Apparently, this time there are 2 votes in one day. Does that mean we have to go to vote twice? Do we have to stand in line twice? Lots of confusion. But today, all your worries about this will be cleared up. Let's take a look at the upcoming 13th National Parliamentary Election and the day of the referendum. How will we vote? On election day, come to your polling center early in the morning. Men and women will stand in separate lines like this. At the start of the line, your voter serial number will be listed, indicating which room you should vote in. The Ansar personnel at the polling center will also assist you in finding which room you should vote in. After that, proceed straight ahead. How are male and female voters casting their votes in separate rooms? Let's take a look. The voter serial numbers will still be listed. First, a polling officer will ask for your name and voter number. Then they will match your face with the photo in the voter list. This is me coming across as a little bad here.
Father's name.
Ansu Zaman.
The registered voter is Asha Kanam, whose official voter identification number is 0157.
The first polling officer, followed by the second polling officer, will call out your name and voter serial number loudly so the assistant presiding officer and polling agents in the room can hear. He will then mark your finger with ink. After that, you will go to the assistant presiding officer's table. The officer will write your voter number and give you 2 ballot papers. I know. This time, for the referendum, the ballot is pink, and for the parliamentary member election, the ballot is white and black. Wow. When receiving the ballot paper, you will have to sign. If you prefer, you can give a thumbprint instead of a signature on your hand. You will be given a rubber stamp along with the ballot to mark your vote. You will take the 2 ballots and the rubber stamp into the secret voting booth. Now, to save time, many polling centers will have 2 secret booths so that 2 voters can vote at the same time in the 2 booths. How will you stamp the ballot inside the secret booth? Let's find out. On the referendum ballot, there will be 2 boxes, yes and no. If you want reform or change, stamp yes on the referendum ballot and you will get all the reforms. If you choose no, you will not get any reforms. After that, fold the ballot lengthwise so that the ink from the stamp does not transfer to the other box. Then, fold it crosswise for the parliamentary member election. On the black and white ballot, stamp the symbol of your preferred candidate or party, but make sure the stamp does not go outside the designated box. If the stamp goes outside the box, your valuable ballot will be cancelled. After stamping, fold this ballot lengthwise first so that the ink does not smudge onto another symbol. Then, now come out from the secret booth.